London probability map opened half a minute ago, and we've got 79% of sweep in the high first. It doesn't mean that my bias is going to be long for the whole London session. It means that I am looking for longs at 2 a.m., maybe 3 a.m. Let's see what's the fractal map is saying. The fractal map is saying that yesterday daily candle swept the previous day low and high, so yesterday we had second destroy profile. The current 4-hour candle, the previous 4-hour candle swept the low of the prior one with SMT inside of the 4-hour fair value gap, and there is another bearish fair value gap above us. 1 hour is saying that we swept previous hour low, and that's it. 15 minutes, we've got PSP and SMT at the tops at 50% of this week, and 5 minutes been creating few bullish fair value gaps, but is that enough to push us towards the high? We'll see. I will try to find a long trade entry. Right, I will enter straight away, just like that, only because there is no way to form any way of manipulation today. Looks like we swept the lows, we displaced up, we accumulated, and now we are distributing towards the highs. So simple as that. This is more aggressive approach as well. On 30 seconds we created a bullish fair value gap. We might react from it, and we closed above this BPR. I will add 2 more contracts. So it's really basic. We shown some bullishness towards more probable high, and we are showing the bullish signatures by printing bullish fair value gaps in here, or for example when we are doing candle closes above the bearish fair value gaps. That's the signs of bullishness, and looks like we are firing off. I will take 3 contracts off in here, another 1 contract off in there, and I will hold the outstanding runner. So it looks like we've got same scenario. We moved up, accumulated, moved up, and accumulating prior to another move up. I am still convinced we are going to sweep this high, as we've got 79% to do so, and that's the data built in from 10 years of historical backtested data, so hence my bias. And we pretty much back to my entry when we accumulated, and probably doing some sort of manipulation prior to the move up. After this manipulation and inverting fair value gap and printing another fair value gap within the accumulation, I could really add another contract in here and reduce the risk, but I am absolutely fine. So now I will go break even, and we'll try to aggressively trail the stop loss. I'm not sure what happened. Seems like all of my followers' accounts stopped in profit, and only this account is running. Not sure what happened there. Right, so the idea is to hold this fair value gap above this order block. If we fail to do so, then most likely we are going lower. My target was reached since once we open up 2 a.m. We knew that we've got 79% of sweep in the high first, and that's exactly what happened. I think I just closed this trade, and that's it. My trading done for the day.